Okay, what are you going to do today, Lucas?
I'm gonna put the diapers on Kitty because he made a mess.
You're going to try to put diapers on him?
Okay, Kitty?
Okay, well, we'll give it a try.
Oh, Kitty made another mess.
Yeah, they're pretty messy little guys. Or girls. Okay, so how are we going to put diapers on them?
I don't know, try.
Did you make diapers?
Yeah.
How did you make diapers?
Say with the socks.
With the socks, okay.
That's what you want to make them with.
Okay.
Oh, give me your foot, Kitty. Kitty? Oh. Kitty, let me put this on you. That's really hard. How do I do that?
I don't know.
Kitty? Okay.
They just want to cuddle.
Oh, I found a way to do it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Maybe that one's too big to put on. Try the little one. So we found some patterns online how to make diapers. And we tried our own. And we should try to make another video on how to make diapers once we figure out which ones work.
Okay. Is any working diaper?
Yeah, try that one.
How does it work?
Well, that's where that goes behind his tail feather.
Only my ones are like...
Well, maybe we'll try diapers another time and just cuddle. They just want to cuddle.
I'll try this one on again. Okay, Kitty, are you awake? Yes, I hope you are. You better be. Stay put, sit down, sit.
He's not a dog. He's not gonna sit.
I want to sit on.
Do you want me to try to put it on him?
I'm trying. Oh, okay. Oh, Kitty.
Okay, gentle. Here, let me help you out here. Okay, you got to put his behind in there first and get his little feet seasoned so we don't hurt him.
Oh, this is hard.
Yeah, he's too little. His feet are going everywhere. He just wants to run wild. Bare bummed.
When he's tired, is it gonna work?
I don't know. This one's smaller. It would probably stay
I
on
don't know how
better.
that works. Oh, yeah, that's easy. What's this thing for?
Goes around his chest, and then this is the bum catcher, and then you need there's a little place for his tail to come out.
And what's this in this two holes?
So that will go like this over him, like a cape, and that goes around him.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay, you can give it a try.
No, it's not easy. Wow. Kitty? DJ or Kitty?
Whatever you want to try.
DJ.
DJ, sit still.
Okay, sit.
Oh, you got to be super gentle.
Okay.
Here. So if we go like this.
When you put his cape on and then we loop it on his butt.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a cape, and then you loop it around his bum. Okay.
Got the cape on.
Okay.
Now his bum.
And that loops around his little bum.
Yeah.
There you go. You almost have it.
There. It fits. Whoa.
It fits.
It's not even on.
It doesn't stay on very good, does it? We'll have to look. Wow.
Okay, I'll put your cape on again.
Oh, gentle.
Whoa. That just falls down.
Okay. Well, we'll look into how to make better diapers. We'll try another way. Do you want to take that off of him then, honey?
Okay.
Gentle, though. Let's try to take it off him, okay? Let's try to take it back off. He doesn't like it. There we go. He's going to cuddle. We'll come up with a better diaper plan. Diapers another day. Do you want to have him cuddle you?
No.
Oh, we got a little poopsie mess again. Okay. Let me get a Kleenex.
Okay, go all the way, Kitty and DJ.
There we go.
You're going in the case.
You're going to put them away now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come, Kitty, DJ. What?
You have to pick them up, sweetie. They're not going to just... They're happy here. Kitty's quite happy here. Hi, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty. You want to come up?
Kitty.
He wants up. Okay. Back to bed.